Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Have you ever wanted to be a spy? Well, who doesn't want to be a spy? James Bond, eat your heart out. Let's check it out. I was doing some online shopping and I came across this interesting item here. Let's find out what it is. And it was this beauty here. A mono. And it was this device here, a monocular night vision device, 1080p, HD, infrared camera, 5x digital light zoom, hunting telescope, outdoor search, full darkness, 300 meters, thingamajig camera. Wow, that's impressive. And all that for the low price of New Zealand $37.02. That one's got no memory card, even though the picture says it's got a memory card. This one here, well, that's got a memory card as well, but it's in $45.59. Who knows how good the memory card is? 128 gig. Well, that's pretty decent. For $7, not bad. Anyway, we didn't go with the memory card because we've already got a couple hanging around doing nothing. We'll use those instead. $37.63 altogether, including GST, tax, all the rest of it, blah, blah, blah. Sounds too good to be true, is it? Let's find out. We ordered the device on the 19th of November. It took about 12 days to get here. That's pretty snappy. Direct from China. We have a look at some of the pictures before we disappear. We've got scientific observation. Whoa, look at that. Camping. Yeah, cool. Wilderness expedition. Yeah, it sounds like me. Night fishing. I don't know about that. Hunting. Well, maybe not. Courtyard security. Bonus. Day and night use. Wow, that's impressive, isn't it? Look at those photos. They're brilliant, aren't they, for a $30 camera? That is amazing. 1.5-inch screen. Beautiful plastic buttons. Only the finest money can buy. We've got the 7-level infrared adjustment. In the dark, the higher the infrared light level is adjusted, the farther and clearer the obscuration is. Well, if that's not filling you with confidence, it's certainly filling me with confidence. And then we've got a picture of an owl. Okay, cool. Level 1, level 3, level 7. So 7 levels of infrared adjustment. Nice. We've got the 5x digital zoom. We've got the picture resolution 1080p. We've got the, well, storing up to 512 gigabytes. That's pretty impressive. 850 nm IR wavelength. No idea what that means. Supposedly up to 1,000 meters yeah, okay. $37.63. Sounds too good to be true. Okay, let's unbox this beauty right now. Let's check out what we got inside. Ooh, nice. We've got some instructions. Oh, in Chinese. Excellent. Oh, hang on. What have we got here? Yeah, user manual in English, is it? Yes, it is. Cool. We've got some English instructions. Obviously, we've got the camera here by the looks of things. It's in a bag. Okay, cool. Let's go and check it out. Ooh, very nice plastic. Very nice indeed. It's pretty small. I mean, look at the size of my hand in comparison. Pretty small indeed. Well, we've got some things on there. What else have we got? We've got some black buttons on the top. Very nice. Very classy finish there. We've got the far near. Looks like some sort of manual zoom up the top here. Cool. Couple of buttons down there. What else we got here? Oh, we've got a USB-C cable. Nice. We've got a little chamois cloth for presumably cleaning the lens. We've got a, what's this? This is a SD card reader. Well, that's a bonus. Not bad. $37. Anything else? No, that's about it. So a cloth, a cable, a SD card reader, the camera, and the instructions. That's about it. Oh, and a bag. Don't forget the bag. So we'll quickly read through the manual and we'll figure out what's going on with this. Cool, we've read through the manual. We can see here now that we've had a bit of time. Oh, we've also got the strap, of course. Excellent. So we've got 3 buttons on the top. We've got infrared up and down by the looks of it. We've got the camera setting thing to choose what you want. We've got a power button on here. We've got a menu option here, and you can use these IR buttons there to change the menu settings and change the mode here and change some settings in there. Let's go and do that based on the manual.
Many months later.
Yep, cool, we've done that. We'll turn it on again. Hold the button down for 3 seconds and look at that. Welcome, it says welcome. So we've got a little picture there. Yep, cool. Okay, we've got a little picture there on the little 1.5-inch screen. This is pretty impressive for $37, I gotta say. So we've got a time there, which we've already set up there. We're not doing anything at the moment. We could hit the record button. How do we do that? Which one's the record button? I think it's that one, is it? Ooh, let's go with that one. Let's click on that. Yep, okay, so that's recording now. And we'll just film a couple of things on this. So here we go. Filming on this. What's it going to look like? I'm going to film over there somewhere. Use the manual focus. What's that looking like? Pretty grainy, to be honest. Green screen there, guitar on the wall. Okay, well, obviously there's no stabilization, image stabilization, but we'll figure that out as we go along. Righty-ho, so now that we've got the thing working, let's chuck it in infrared mode. Let's go outside. We've got some spy missions to do. The first mission is we've got to put the chickens away, so let's go and do that. So we're outside, we're using the device. And what have we got here? We've got a cat. We've got a cat and it's coming towards me. What are we going to do? Here comes the cat. Oh, there's the cat. Where's the cat? Hang on, I can't see anything. Where's the cat? Coming out here, cat? There you are, cat. Right, because I can't see anything. Can't see anything here. I'm going to go down there. Oh, I can follow you. Somewhere. Yeah, I can follow you. Is this what you can see, cat? Hey, you take me out the back. Come on, take me out the back. Because I can't see. It's an overcast night. And we're off to the chicken cage over here somewhere. Where is it? Well, this is... Yep, got to go up these steps here. Take my word for it. It's dark out here. It's not pitch black. It's very dark. Maybe that's a chicken. I don't know. That's a chicken. Can't see them. Yeah, so hey, for $30, what do you expect, eh? It's pretty awesome, really. There's the cat. Puss! Oh, there's the cat. Where are you, Puss? Oh, there you are. I can see you. So we've got a reasonable idea what's going on outside. Reasonable idea. Not a great idea. Not a reasonable idea. Okay, back out. Whoops, sorry, Puss. Yep, got him there. Back out into civilization. Go and check out the street. It's a normal street scenario. It's not really going to help because it's pretty light out here anyway, so everything is... You got a light up there, street light, yep, cool. But this doesn't really help. I got no idea if the manual focus in ordinary mode is any good. It probably isn't. You have to adjust it as you go. But for $30 something, it actually works. Pretty incredible. And there you have it, $37.63 for that sort of technology delivered directly from China. It's pretty cheap. It actually works, which is quite surprising. And, you know, for $37, it does actually a pretty decent job. Not so sure about the just the normal camera work and the microphone, but however, it is what it is. And for that sort of money, you can't really complain too much. Could make an ideal Christmas present if you want to spend under $40, for example. Only 12 days delivery, that was a bonus. Good fun, good time had by all, including the chickens. That's about all the time we've got for in this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. We'll catch you in the next one. See you later.